बड़े से बड़ा बिजनेस पैसे से नहीं, एक बड़े आइडिया से बड़ा होता है.
There's a tough competition between Veer and Shahid.
किस्मत हाई फाई हमारी. किस्मत अच्छी होगी तो सब सही होता है.
वो भलतू.
मम्मी डैडी अंकल आंटी सड़क का कुत्ता सबके साथ मुंह फट.
I can never be described in one word. Oh damn. Oh God.
मैं ज़्यादा ही क्रिटिकल हो रहा हूँ.
Why are you answering me?
Sorry, I'm just saying.
फॉलो कर दूं.
अरे यहाँ पे 1000 रुपए के नोट पड़े हैं. मैंने खाना खाया क्या?
परमिशन ले रहा है, देखो बेचारा शरीफ.
This will be interesting. This will be very interesting.
Go. 3, 2, 1.
Badmash company and you're watching us on BollywoodHungama.com.
बड़े से बड़ा बिजनेस पैसे से नहीं, एक बड़े आइडिया से बड़ा होता है.
We have taken a few questions from your fans on Twitter, all of you, and we'll do a brief rapid fire with all of you guys. And we'll start with Shahid Kapoor. There's one message I think I'd like to kind of give from one of your fans. Too many of them, I can't give possibly all of them, so you have lots of them. One is by Jilly Seen and she says that बदमाशी के इस मौसम में जब we met on 7th में कहूँगी यही तुमसे कि इश्क विश्क करके भी ये दिल मांगे मोर.
Very good.
That's really sweet.
Question for you is from Ria K09. So far, the best song of 2010 can't name Badmash Company songs.
As in,
she's
I
saying,
can't
what is
name
the-
a
what
Badmash
is-
Company song.
Apart from that,
And
apart
my
from
favorite song in 2000.
Of yours.
Yeah.
Of 2000.
Of yours,
Yeah.
which is not from Badmash Company.
But which I like listening to.
Like listening to, maybe from your film or maybe from other films.
Okay, 2010.
Okay, I'm saying,
What
don't
was
name
the
anything from
reason?
your film.
इश्किया
Ibn
दिल तो
Battuta.
बच्चा है जी. I love that song.
Alright.
I love that line. So I think that's very
I think
true.
all Vishal,
it holds true
Vishal
for
you
me.
have.
Rima K, although you've not asked me, mine is.
She's dying to say.
Mine is Ibn Battuta. I really like this song.
All right, we'll take up one more. Monebar, describe Veer Das in one word.
Can I describe him in one expression?
Whatever.
Parmeet, describe the scene to me. I'll just show you how Veer listens to Parmeet explaining. You have to do that to your nose for Parmeet. I have to become Kuljit. We are like that. हाँ.
देख यार तू ना चल के आ रहा है और तेरे सामने ना एक ना कैंडल पड़ी है और तू वहां जाएगा और ना तुझे ना कैंडल ना
Okay.
नहीं वीर लेकिन सुन मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि
Okay.
नहीं वीर लेकिन कैंडल का कलर
Okay.
वीर कैंडल येलो
I'm overacting on you. My partner.
To Stylish Babe 26, which role was more difficult, Karan Badmash Company or Charlie and Guddu Kamine?
Charlie and Guddu Kamine, definitely. I think Charlie and Guddu, I was provided a very big platform by Vishal Bhardwaj as a director. It was almost like he gave me these two characters कि अब तो इसको ठीक ठाक भी कर ले तो तेरा काम हो जाएगा. You know, because the script had so much in it. So more difficult to play those parts, but I would say very challenging to do this role as well because this was a much straighter role and I really had to dig, me and Parmeet had to sit and really dig a lot to see how we can make Karan different from what I have done before. We needed to bring a lot out of the character which wasn't there on paper inherently on the face of it. It had to be dug into a lot. So there was a lot of effort which for me, I put in a lot of effort along with Parmeet on Karan. I honestly felt that the other three characters in the film, at paper, at face value, to me were more exciting than Karan. So for me, to make Karan the way we have tried to make it required a lot more work. Then I think on Kamine, Vishal had done a lot of the work for me. Although Kamine was a more difficult part to play, I still had a lot of support from Vishal in the two characters that he provided me, which was a huge part of Charlie and Guddu. If I wouldn't have got that platform, I wouldn't have been able to do those roles.
Even your support cast was excellent in that film. Support cast was fantastic.
Absolutely.
All of them.
Absolutely.
Okay, that dialogue from Badmash Company, that has caught on big time. I think we should have that.
बड़े से बड़ा business पैसे से नहीं, एक बड़े idea से बड़ा होता है.
Fabulous. Unfis, money or love?
Love.
Ria 2D, how would you rank yourself on 1 to 10 in Badmash Company?
I very bad at judging myself.
I'll rank him 10. Chang will rank him 10.
Why are you deciding for him, poor guy?
How can you?
Okay.
Okay. How can you rank
I was going to say
himself?
9.5, but it's pretty close.
Yeah, I don't know.
11.
No यार, no. अभी इसने 10 बोल दिया तो मैं अपना थोड़ा बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो लगेगा मैं ज़्यादा ही critical हो रहा हूँ. I don't know, maybe 7.5.
Oh, how modest.
Amazing Anu, and she says that
That's
amongst
me.
Anushka, Veer, Chang, and yourself, who comes to your mind when I say cute,
Chang.
funny,
Veer.
impatient,
Better be.
For sure.
Anushka.
Without doubt, Anushka.
hot,
If I said Veer and Chang, I mean seriously.
I'll kill you.
I don't have much of a choice, so I have
cool?
Cool.
Yeah.
All three of them. I think they're all three pretty cool.
कोमल 187 चूज किस्मत हाई-फाई हमारी, टी-शर्ट से मैचिंग फरारी और बैंक में करेंसी करारी.
Nice, huh?
किस्मत हाई-फाई हमारी. किस्मत अच्छी होगी तो सब सही होता है.
बाकी क्या थे दोनों?
हाँ, टी-शर्ट
T-shirt
से
से
मैचिंग
matching
फरारी तो
फरारी.
मैं जिंदगी में कभी नहीं पहनूंगा.
बैंक में करेंसी करारी.
और बैंक में करेंसी करारी
वो तो आज है कल नहीं
तो आ
है.
जाती है.
हाँ.
Vashni and she says that what is Karan's priority, not Shahid Kapoor's priority, friendship or money.
It changes through the film actually, so it's difficult to name one.
Rashmi SK, describe the experience of working with Anushka in one word.
This will be interesting. This will be very interesting.
I think the expression says it all if you have to say through.
No. We want to hear it. What expression? I want to hear it.
सोचो.
Is it funny?
I can never be described in one word. It's just
You can take 2-3. Yeah? There's no.
Just like you.
Unique.
Okay.
what does that mean? That's so.
Well, let me just. I can't put in one word. Yeah, there's too many things which I feel that I feel towards how this film has been. But I think yes, definitely unique. I think it takes a little time to get used to Anushka because बहुत मुंहफट है. मतलब हद से ज़्यादा. मतलब beyond imagination type मुंहफट है. But that's उसकी सबसे अच्छी quality यही है कि वो consistent है उस बात.
Consistent movement. That's two words.
मम्मी डैडी अंकल आंटी सड़क का कुत्ता सबके साथ मुंह फट. But
मम्मी डैडी अंकल आंटी के संसार का कुत्ता क्यों है?
But I think you're from Bangalore, but I think you totally look Punjabi in Rabbi.
I'm not Punjabi.
ये बिल्कुल दिल्ली वाली लगती है मुझे तो.
I'm not
Even the way
Punjabi.
she talks,
I'm-
बिल्कुल
That's
दिल्ली
what I'm saying.
वाली.
You're not Punjabi, but you look very convincing Punjabi.
In the film.
In the film.
That's a good thing, no?
Yeah,
That's a very good
Kudos
thing.
Even
to
in
Aditya
compliment
Chopra.
them.
That's a very good thing. Zoo. इम्तियाज अली और सूरज बलजातिया.
Oh God, this is deadly.
Must be nice to get into these fixes.
Trying really hard to be straight up and honest about it, but how can I? Both have made such a huge contribution to my
Yeah,
career.
that's true. That's true.
But you can only say one.
Imtiaz's hair and Surajji's eyes.
Nonsense. ये नहीं चलेगा.
वाशनी फॉटकट कॉर्निंग और छोटा फॉटकट कॉर्निंग.
छोटा podcast कौन है?
Chota
Always the
podcast.
shortest way.
We'll come to Anushka Sharma now. Thank you very much, Shahid. That is fantastic. दाना बोली तानी और शानी.
शानी.
शानी क्या होता है?
शानी तो
शानी.
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 Being conning or getting conned.
Obviously conning, yeah.
Obvio यार.
Obvio.
Okay, Anisha the Great, most badmash co-star Shahid, Veer or Chan.
There's a tough competition between Veer and Shahid.
Ria 2D in one word, Shahid as a co-star.
Unique.
At least be original यार.
Original.
Well done.
Dana Boli, t-shirt and jeans or salwar kameez.
In my personal life, I'm more comfortable wearing a t-shirt and jeans.
Priya 64, Shahid as a dancer or actor.
Actor.
Dana Boli, Kajol or Madhuri Dixit.
Oh damn. Oh God.
ये तो मतलब एकदम मतलब.
This is like
हर चीज
टेंशन में आ गई यार बिल्कुल.
emotional.
Miss Universe moment, yeah.
Madhuri Dixit.
Madhuri Dixit. All right. Komal 187, the funniest disguise of hers and Shahid.
Shahid's I don't want to call it what we used to call it, but the look where he's half
Bald.
his that look and my
Teeth वाला.
Braces.
ये मतलब हम लोग खाना खा रहे होते थे तो इसके डेंचर्स का एक वहाँ पे एक डब्बा और ये ऐसे आके बैठे खाने के लिए और those dentures are lying floating out there while eating your food.
Gee, that never happened.
God.
Shahid.
Okay, crazy for Shahid, buy something or steal something.
Buy something, yeah.
Okay, you want to steal something.
No, yeah.
Falak Anjum,
Steal
casino.
half.
No यार.
Casino or beach?
Casino or beach?
Casino or beach?
Yep.
Beach, beach,
Seriously,
beach.
Outdoor shooting or indoor shooting?
Outdoor, dude.
Outdoor. Why are you answering for me?
Sorry, I'm just saying.
Falak
what I
Anjum,
feel.
Falak Anjum, last question. Aditya Chopra is a director or a producer?
Director, man, why are you even thinking about that?
No, yeah.
You'll still find producers, but you will hardly find directors like that.
I agree, but I think you'll hardly find producers like Aditya Chopra.
So
Also.
then choose one. Bal Bana.
No, I can't. Both.
Take it,
Can't.
not an issue, not an issue. All right, that was really good. I think you did very well, and I think both the one-word
Are you
answers
proud of us?
they have
Rapid
very
fire
proud of
questions,
us.
my goodness.
All of you, in fact. All right, we'll come to Miang now. Fizza 02, who would be easier to con, Shahid or Veer?
Neither actually, Anushka.
No, try it. Try.
कोशिश करके दिखा मैं.
कोशिश करके दिखा. He will be the easiest to con.
What are you saying?
I'm telling you, yeah.
You've conned him already, silly.
No, have I? No, not yet.
Adore SK, singing or acting?
Oh.
Oh God.
Acting बोल.
हाथ ऐसे पकड़ के.
Actually, I think अगर acting करूँगा, then someday I'll get to sing also, like Danny. So.
वो
डांस
talent
करूँगा.
already is there.
Right. Shahid the actor, Shahid the person.
मतलब
मैं क्या
मैं क्या
बोल
बोल
रहा
रहा
था? मैं क्या बोल रहा था?
शायद the person, I think, because you come with a lot of different thoughts, but those change when you get to know the person. So yes, शायद the person.
Chaska or Ayashi?
Chaska.
Chaska. New York, Philadelphia or Bangkok? That is by Mani013. MANNI.
Bangkok, I think.
Bangkok.
Same here.
मेरे जैसे लोग भी हैं, शॉपिंग भी अच्छी हो जाती है.
बैंकॉक हिंदुस्तान जैसा है.
हाँ, it's like home only almost.
रास्ते पे खाना वाना मिल रहा होता है, थोड़ी गंदगी भी दिख जाती है, अच्छा लगता है. हर जैसी
That's
feeling.
perfect.
I agree.
And the beaches are fantastic.
I agree.
Oh,
ट्रैफिक
right.
जैम्स होते हैं.
हाँ, हम काफी
कुछ ज़्यादा ही
बड़े
मजे से.
बड़े वेलकमिंग लोग होते हैं.
और बिल्कुल मेरे जैसे हो.
हाँ.
मतलब शक्ल से भी और सीरत से भी.
Okay, now
बार्गेनिंग भी होती है
this
बार्गेनिंग.
is interesting. Mani013, that is the last one. What comes first to his mind when he thinks of Anushka?
इन दोनों के अंदर.
Can I,
हाँ बोल दे.
just for once, can I say something not good?
Yeah, it's
परमिशन ले रहा है, देखो बेचारा शरीफ.
okay. Say it.
बदमाश.
Nice guy. He's a nice guy.
Scatterbrained.
I am. I call myself a bhaltu.
Bhaltu.
I'm a bhaltu.
Now that
I'm a
is which
scatterbrain and how? I have random thoughts in my head all the time. I could be like talking to them saying, अरे यहाँ पे 1000 रुपए के नोट पड़े हैं, मैंने खाना खाया क्या? ऐसे white shirt पहनी अच्छी लग रही है. I can be like.
The experience of acting with Anushka, actually, if you want to put it in more words, it's like acting with 10 different actresses because she's just all over the place at time. So लगता है 10
So
अलग-अलग
anybody with a
लोग.
role for a schizophrenic, you know where.
Shahid Kapoor.
Extremely focused. 2 words.
Veer Das.
Dangerous. Dangerous. Yes.
Okay, finally, guys, we are at the end of it now. Could you please sing a few lines from that?
Amongst
Badmash
us, only
company?
Chang sings.
All of you.
No, we are all
No,
good.
we-
I like you.
Sings very well.
I like you so
Can I
much.
do
You
it?
Are you doing
join us
today?
today. You join us today.
Okay, I'll join you. What I
Which
think
song
guys-
do you know?
That look left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Look left. Look right. कर ले अपने jeans pant tight.
Patuwa type?
तेरे नोटों को.
पटुआ टाइट कैसे करते हैं?
But वो
Tape से
करते हैं,
लपेट के
jeans
tight
pant
करते
tight करते हैं.
Okay, please carry on. Please carry on.
हैं. गाने you're not singing Faridun.
You guys
नाप के और तोल तुझको बेचेंगे कागजों के मोल. बच के ये बदमाश कंपनी बदमाश ए बदमाश ए बदमाश ए ये बदमाश कंपनी.
Fantastic. So this was the Badmash Company -1. The kind of excitement and I think exuberance that these guys have shown today, it's very clear that this 7th May they're going to be rocking the cinema halls. All the best wishes to all of
There
you
you will
guys.
see
and,
V2 and we miss you. It's not the same without you.
That definitely. So all the best wishes to you guys, and we really
Thank
hope
you.
that the film does very well.
Thank you.
And for all your future ventures as well.
Let's do this.
Which camera? हाँ देखो, यहाँ देखो, सामने. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la.
Shooting experience.
हाँ अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay. One word. यार ये लड़की कौन है यार?
No.
So
We'll take.
Oh, I did not know that.
Raj, thank God you moved, but
You almost
you
said
really
it.
protected him.
The con is on.
Calling soon.
7th May.
At a theater near you. Or far
Go
away.
watch.
Drive. Hey, this is the Badmash Company बोलेंगे ना और क्या बोलेंगे यार?